Welcome to the project demonstration of restaurant ordering system by using Zigbee technology. So here the main application of the project is we have the two sections. One is at the table section and there is a kitchen section. So whenever the customer want to order his food, so by seeing the menu, he need to enter initially about the food item number, and then after how many plates he want, that means quantity. So and you need to enter the quantity number. So then automatically the order will be placed and sent to the kitchen section. So there we can see this laptop vision. So on this application we can see the table number along with the item number and how many of quantity he required for that. So that will be displayed on this laptop. So in real time we can place that LCD or keypad based on the availability. And for the wireless communication purpose we are making use of a Zigbee. So there is a Zigbee transmitter and the Zigbee receiver. So the distance between these two is at least of it can work up to 100 meters and maximum 500 meters based on the area, means based on the surroundings. So here the whole system getting power supply from this one, the transmitter section getting power supply from this adapter. So the adapter will take 230 volts AC and provide us a 5 volts DC. And when we provide the 5 volts DC to this microcontroller. So here we are using PIC 16F877A, so which will taking care of inputs and controlling the output modules. So here the inputs are 4x4 matrix keypad, interface dates D0 to D7. So based on the input from this, it will display the respective order number or table, like quantity displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen, which was interface dates, pin number A and E ports directly. And based on that, it will send the data through the Zigbee interface date C6, C7. And finally, once the order got placed, then we'll get the beep alert through this buzzer interfaced at the pin number D2 here. So on this motherboard, there are the major three components. One is the microcontroller, which will be taking care of inputs, outputs, and another is a steel plated one, is a crystal oscillator. So the purpose of this crystal oscillator is to provide the clock pulses to the microcontroller. So here we provided the set of instructions in embedded C language. So each instruction line will be executed based on the clock frequency. So per instruction, controller need one clock pulse. So we are providing 20 mega clock pulses per second, so that controller can execute 20 mega instructions per second. And another third component is reset switch to restart the microcontroller. Press and release, the system will get restarts. And coming to the receiver section. So before if you want to demonstrate this project in first new laptop, then so actually this is the output we are going to receive for each and every order. So close that. So I'm showing from initially onwards, right? So initially we need to install this. If you're trying this in a new laptop, so install this application PL2303 driver. So after installation, at the end of the installation, it will ask for insert the USB TTL converter at the end. So we need to insert that. And also after inserting, when you click on OK, so it will ask for to restart the PC. So then don't restart that. And after inserting, go to this PC. Right click on this PC and manage. So this is to get the communication number, device manager. So there we can see ports. So there we get the prolific USB to serial converter COM3. Here we are getting that. Note on the COM3. So if you are getting any error like contact the service provider or like product provider, then you need to right click on that. If you get the error, instead of getting the COM3, if you get an error, right click on that. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick that. And here we will get the 2008 and 2022 or 22.1. So then you need to select the 2008 version and click on next and next. So it will install automatically and provide us the COM number properly here. So right. And now next go to hyperterminal folder. This is hyperterminal folder, and in that you can click on this land phone symbol yellow icon. Right. So here three settings we need to enter. Name, any name, whatever name you want you can enter. And the COM3 which we got from the device manager, and then restore defaults. I'm repeating, name, any name, and COM number, and restore defaults, and then OK. So it got opened now. So means the port was opened. So now we can on the system. After opening the laptop section, we can on the right welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen. So it will ask for the item number 1. So item number, so you can see that when I'm typing the item number, you need to enter the 3 digits. Whether it is 1 means you need to enter 0 1. So you'll get the table number along with the item number, and quantity 0 6. So order placed. Again, if you want to order one more item, 04 item number and 02 quantity. Right. So like this, you're going to get the order details at the kitchen section and the same order placed confirmation at our table section. Right.